for it, strive for it, strive. Die for it, die for it, die. We wasn't made to survive. Look at me, I'm so alive. Look at me, I'm...
Yo, what's up, Swing Gang? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're finna do a mukbang. And what we doing?
We doing a Would You Rather
mukbang. And we finna ask questions. Alright, who's starting out though? Who going first?
My shit off the gate already.
Go ahead.
What's up? Let's hear it.
Alright. Would you rather fuck your man's sister and tell him all the details, or fuck his moms and get away with it?
You can't rob the game.
I'm fucking mom getting away with it.
Wait, say it again.
You fucking his mom?
Bro, I feel like she mature though. That's better than fucking his sister. That's like his little sister. Like,
that's his mom.
It could be his big sister.
But nah, I know some people that hit their man mom, bro. Like, nigga mom be out there, and then they grown and try to do what they want, and I'd rather do that. I'm not hitting my man's sister. That's out of pocket.
You do gotta grow up and look at your sister all that whole time that your man's hit.
That's his mom.
I mean, bro. I don't know. That's weird.
That mug is crazy.
But then
niggas do be. I mean, niggas
so I'm
do
guessing
be dating
y'all
sisters.
y'all really motherfuckers.
But like, I don't know. I feel like I don't know, bro.
Hey, I'm sorry,
That's
bro. I'm
a fucked up
fucking with
question.
your sister. Cause your moms, I feel like that's disrespectful, bro.
And I'm telling you about it too, so I'm not even getting away with it.
Yeah.
Damn.
I can't secretly fuck your mom. At least if I fucked your mom, I gotta be like, at least real and tell you. But like, I'm sorry.
Y'all a good ass question.
So when you say get away with it, I don't talk to him no more, or we still cool? Like we still in the same crib?
Get away with it, like you're not telling me.
But yeah.
But I'm still around the family type stuff?
Yeah, you still gonna have to be around. That's your man.
Nah, I'm still hitting the moms.
Wow.
Nah, I'm gonna do it. I'll go with the sister and I'll let her know. We're probably not gonna be friends though. Cause some people they be cool with that, so we'll see.
Let's go. Some people be cool with both though.
Ashley from Ashley from Fresh Prince, or Lisa from Saved by the Bell. Like back then.
Yeah, Ashley.
They look alike, bro. They look very identical.
They do.
But it's Ashley for me too.
Alright. Wait, you said you was hitting the sister?
Oh yeah, I'm his sister. Yeah. Can't be the mom. Y'all ready for another out of pocket one?
What's good?
I guess so.
Alright. Would you rather snitch on your homies and they all do life, or kill one of them if everybody else go free?
Oh shit.
Wait, say it again.
Would you rather snitch on your homies, right? And they all gotta do life, or kill one of them if everybody else going free?
Yeah, that's really life or death.
That's crazy.
Damn.
I feel like that's death or death.
Right.
You giving people life.
That's out of pocket.
Listen,
That's not even life.
honestly, I believe that we all gonna be in the afterlife at some point. So I think he'll respect it.
It depends what the lifestyle is.
You snitching on the girl? Hold on.
Oh, man.
You snitching? You snitching?
I don't know yet.
Nah, he'll make me look bad.
I don't know yet, nigga, but I'm just thinking everybody else going free, bro.
Hold on, look though.
One nigga.
It depends on the lifestyle I live though, like, you know what I'm saying?
Bro,
Back.
don't get philosophical.
Now I'm just saying, some lifestyles you expecting certain things. Like
If I'm a like, I don't know, if I ain't really, it depends. What if it's, I don't know.
look at Juice.
Pac
was ready.
I'm Bishop trying to be the hottest nigga.
It depends if niggas follow the street code or not. But for me,
What you doing?
I might have to, I don't know.
You ratting or you killing?
Send all your niggas to the
Now
I send one of your niggas to the grave. That's
it got,
But wait, but
You can't. This shit
nah,
crazy.
whoever act that shit out of pocket. That shit out of pocket.
they were trying to figure something out. That's what.
Man.
Hey, I'm sorry. One of my partners got to die because everybody else's freedom is on the line.
Bro.
You feel me? Everything.
He said
It got to be a reason you killing the nigga though.
It'll be the least one though. It'll be the nigga that nobody really like that.
You know what I'm saying? And it got to be a reason. Oh,
I mean, that's good logic. I ain't gonna lie.
you gotta make it look like an accident.
Wow.
Jeez.
But then you gotta look at that nigga family in the eye.
That's
But
the only
see,
problem.
now you say your best friend, bro. See, I don't know all my niggas' family.
No, but I'm
You
not
still
saying
gotta
y'all
go to your
friend.
family. That's your
I'm saying
homie.
you gotta look that nigga family in the eye, bro.
That's your homie.
Because that was one of your friends, bro.
But I'm saying, or like, what if they died in like some accident type stuff?
I-
That was all there. He the one that ended up passing.
I got friends that in like different states and shit, and I live in LA, so like, what if I don't got shit?
Bro, this is the same. Let's say this is the same crime, bro. Cause y'all niggas trying to go all through. This is the same
Nah, cause
crime.
you gotta break that bitch down.
Is you snitching, right? Y'all did the crime. You snitching, or one of y'all gotta die
Yo,
so
what's
everybody
wrong
else
with
can go free?
I feel like somebody's gonna nominate to die.
Hey, look, I got a question for y'all.
I feel like somebody's gonna nominate to
Would
die.
y'all rather snitch on your homie and like have him have life, or you kill one of your homie and everybody get away with it? Cause that's what we trying to debate right now.
Facts.
I'm just saying.
I know. Would y'all rather snitch on your homie? Everybody got life, or somebody gotta die, but everybody get their freedom.
That shit crazy. But a nigga gotta die, bro. I'm sorry. Just think about everybody else gotta do life in prison, right? And you gotta live with the guilt of being a snitch.
Facts. And that's your man's.
You feel me?
It's all your homies.
Like, you gonna live with the guilt of giving niggas all your niggas life, or you living with the guilt of just killing one nigga? You feel me?
Somebody
Just
get.
tears. My man just tears. Cause friend, you was talking about you gotta look at nigga in your
Right.
eye, and all this sentimental shit. And now you talking about taking nigga life.
I mean, devil's advocate.
You know
Bro.
what I'm saying?
I'm definitely murking a nigga, bro. But I'm just saying,
word.
the niggas who is murking, just know y'all gotta look that nigga family in his eye, his sister, his mother.
But then you gotta look everybody in the eye that you snitch. You gotta look at family in the eye too if you snitch.
They gonna be alive, right?
Bro, this nigga they life. And they're gone.
At least they get the coin, mom. The
This
nigga who
nigga's
did
wild.
it.
That's torture, bro. That nigga's wild.
Nigga who did, he did. But I told you I'm putting that in there.
So somebody said, I don't even know, bro, that one hard, but I don't think I'll be able to snitch on my homie. So you murking a nigga too, okay. What's the topic again?
Somebody said I could never snitch. I mean, it's job.
Alright, so look, would you rather snitch on your homies and all of them get life, or would you rather kill one of your homies and everybody get away with it? That's what we trying to figure out. I want to know what y'all gonna do.
Somebody said.
And for the female, would y'all rather, I'm saying, snitch on your homegirls and they get life,
Oh,
or
come on, girls, this is easy for
but
me.
kill
Bro, we're the last
they
one.
gonna off the shit out they friend.
Yeah, nah. Women are snitching for sure.
Somebody else said he gotta go. Niggas not trying to snitch, they go off their man, that's out of pocket.
You say you gotta go.
Nigga said he gotta go.
Alright, bro. What's the next joint?
What's another out of pocket, bro? You got all out of pocket.
He usually think about this at night.
Alright. Would you rather have chronic diarrhea for 24 hours
Jeez.
or make out with a hobo shorty?
Damn. I'd rather be shitting so long I don't get out in public.
We about to get diarrhea after the food.
Definitely diarrhea. The hobo shit.
I'm talking about chronic shit, bro.
I know what you mean.
24 hours, bro.
But
4
no,
hours.
You just make out with one homeless
Bro,
girl?
they gonna give you some shit, bro.
they gonna give you something crazy.
Yeah.
You might have heard
You don't know
me.
what you got.
Yeah.
Say make out, that could be like for like 2 minutes. That's a long time.
Right?
That's a sickness for a lifetime.
What you be doing?
Alright, bet. What's the next one?
Alright, this one is crazy.
What's good?
I probably need some water for this.
This one is crazy.
So, I'm gonna ask y'all again. Would you rather snitch and all your friends go to jail, like your close friends, they all go to jail, or would you rather kill one of your friends and everybody get their freedom?
I want to see what niggas saying to that, but we gotta ask that as a formal question.
Good, bro.
He said, Moody said, I don't want to hear the rest. Moody in here. He said, I don't want to hear the rest. I'm snitching.
Damn, Moody. That's how you feel, bro?
That's funny as shit.
You got water?
Yo, that nigga said like, no, I'm snitching. Nigga switch his side, that's free.
Oh, he's trolling. He said 6'9" is my big bro. You
Bro,
a
niggas not trying to kill their
He talking about we all gonna be in that bitch. Hell no.
Oh, is you getting caught?
What you mean?
Or you kill him?
No.
You can't get caught?
No. Why you trying to get caught?
No, I'm just saying. It's like, then that's like a sacrifice then. Holly will be doing it all the time.
Wow.
That's a
Wow.
fact though.
Alright, so look. Would you rather save Kobe from the helicopter crash?
Yo, you're wildin', bro. You're wildin'.
Or Nipsey from the bullet?
Yo, you're wildin', bro. Nah, you're wildin'.
Hey,
You're wildin', bro.
Kobe from the Kobe from the helicopter crash or Nipsey
Hey,
from
bro.
the bullet? And you can only save Kobe.
I can't.
You
My
can
heart-
only save Kobe.
Hey,
You
yo,
about to look
my-
at Dota in the eye.
You
and
gonna
breathe
let
out.
Gigi die?
Y'all gotta pick one, bro.
Respect to both. Respect to both. Respect to both.
Yeah, obviously respect to Kobe and Nip.
Damn.
But what you
Respect to
picking?
both.
You saving
I think-
Kobe from the helicopter crash or Nip from the bullet?
Respect the bull, but I'm about to take my man Kobe. No cap.
You saving Kobe?
Only Kobe, bro.
Only Kobe?
Yeah,
God.
only
Bro.
Kobe. So you only saving Kobe.
And just let Gigi.
Oh no, I ain't hear that part. No, that's out of pocket. No, there's no reason to say Kobe. You can't say Gigi.
Wow.
That's real.
So you letting
That's
Nip
what I'm
die?
saying.
No,
No, he said
Nah, he
he
said
said-
he's saving
Yeah,
Nip.
Yeah, it's
no
like,
reason to say Kobe. Cause no, he gonna be.
how you gonna go in a
fucked up.
helicopter and just pick Kobe up and just breathe? like, bro,
You gotta think, boy. That's
pooping that thing. Hey, yo, Kobe, come through. Boom. And then like, nah, that's
So-
Hold on.
So
Somebody said
you
y'all
can save the
want
whole helicopter. You picking the helicopter over Nipsey, but now you trying to add bodies. Like, oh yeah, but they got other people. Blah blah blah. It's unfair to Nip. That's
What?
Nip Hustle the Great, bro.
Hold on.
I feel like I'm saving Nip, bro, because I feel like Nip still had more to do. You feel me?
Facts.
Kobe was already at the end of his career as a basketball player. You feel me? And plus,
But Kobe ain't deserve it. I mean, I ain't saying Nip deserve it, but it's like it's certain lifestyle. I'm saying that niggas live that kind of consequences, and then Kobe, that shit was out the blue, bro. Kobe was
Tragic.
Kobe was an inspiration.
so you saving Kobe then?
Yeah, I'm saving Kobe, but you gotta save Gigi too though.
Nah,
Yeah.
you can only save Kobe.
Nah, there's no
That's
point
the
to
only
save
pro-
Kobe.
that's the only problem.
You gotta save both.
What
of
you
them.
I can't just leave Gigi.
What I'm
like
saying though is that what made the situation more tragic is that he also died with his daughter, bro.
that. Yeah.
Like on the way to a basketball game in that helicopter. Like that's wild.
It's
bro.
just the most random thing you could like possibly think of how to die.
That's wild.
Someone as big as Kobe.
Somebody
So
not
it-
one for it though.
It's about would you rather though.
Look,
So would you rather
look.
have Nip had survived that bullet or Kobe had survived that
No,
helicopter
bro.
crash?
Kobe can't survive. With
Hold on,
Gigi.
you say survived to save them because he could have still got hurt from the helicopter crash, and Nip still could. Boom. What I'm saying is that they both could have came back
But they
not
bo-
the same.
But they both alive. I don't care about nothing.
You don't
they
care?
both alive.
So you don't care, God forbid, if they had something wrong with them.
Bro, we not gonna.
I'm just saying, bro. Like you saying the whole you saying survive a helicopter
Alright,
crash.
no
He's not the
survival.
Terminator or like the Rock, nigga. The Rock be
just
walking
saying-
through everything, bro. Like
Alright, let's say he didn't get no injuries then.
and Nip, if he got shot, he didn't get no injuries.
Yeah, he's alive. They're 100% healthy. Which one? You in the
Let me call a friend.
Kobe
Nah,
not.
I already told you I can't.
Piece
do
of
that.
sick. He gonna make
You
y'all
can't
feel
do
guilty
it?
out the way.
I can't.
Who y'all picking?
You
Save
can't
Kobe
pick.
or save
You
Nip?
gotta pick,
Look,
bro.
it's hard,
Would
bro.
you rather?
Look, hold on.
He said Kobe.
I got one.
They said
I'm
Kobe
not gonna
easy.
lie. This shit.
They said Kobe.
They said Kobe easy.
But you ain't telling me. Y'all telling me you can't say Gigi.
Yeah, I can't save Gigi though.
Only Kobe. So Gigi gonna be gone.
Tough.
Yo, what kind of wings are these, bro?
But look, somebody said.
I'm gonna
Listen,
Hold on. I got a question for y'all. Somebody. Hold on. What the fuck?
Kobe or Nip? Damn. This
He
nigga's
said-
sick.
Would y'all rather kill your girl to save your mom or kill your girl to save your ex?
To save your ex?
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't gonna cap.
Nigga, why that's not even a question.
Damn, I gotta kill my
Why did you say
Why I
your
got
ex?
this one really messed up?
Yeah.
I thought they was gonna
Wait,
say
what?
your mom or something like that.
Yeah.
Would you rather kill your girl to save your ex or kill your ex to save your girl?
Go get Mamba mentality. I got the privilege, right?
Right. Whatever it is, I'm saving my mom.
Facts. I'm not gonna cap.
There's no question.
They
there.
gonna say the mom, the Omi.
Yeah, I'm picking moms.
They say the homie.
He asked that question, bro. It's this man. This nigga's.
Yo, chill.
Nah, bro, you wild for that.
Internet asked that question.
Nah, that's OD, son. They said saving Nip.
Keezy said he can't answer. You got to, bro. You got to, or you gotta drink that whole bottle of Ciroc in the fridge.
Damn, you gotta get my man lit.
That's like saying who a better rapper, Iggy or like Meg. Obviously, it's Iggy. You feel what I'm saying? I'm capping. I'm about to get kissed. I'm bullshit. I bet.
Right,
So
this one chilling. Would you rather be rich with a cheating wife or poor with a faithful girl?
I'd rather be poor with a faithful girl. I'm gonna run the check.
If I'm rich with a cheating wife, I'm gonna just go out and do my thing. So
Right, I'd rather be rich. Yeah, I'd rather be rich. I'm trying to be rich. I don't give a fuck. Go cheat. I'll probably cheat back. Back through.
Run the check up.
Run the
I'm
bag.
another eventually, and then I'm gonna be cool. Like,
But then, like, what if she do? What if she do something trying to take half your money?
Yeah, and she still cheating.
But I got
My
money.
money. She the rich
But
one.
I got money.
Wait, you said.
But you poor with a faithful girl, like a ride or die, shorty. You feel me?
But like, you're not gonna be poor forever.
Yeah, all right. Let's say you're not poor forever.
But like,
Right now, somebody be like, all right, bro.
But I ain't trying to go through that whole process. I ain't gonna go through
That man said skip to the good part.
You can always divorce.
Yeah.
Then we can go find somebody else.
in fact, you can divorce and just find somebody else.
Especially if I'm young right now, fat and broke. What?
Rich and have a cheating, right? Shoot, a lot of rich people, they watch me cheating though.
Know what I'm saying?
It's a common thing.
Yeah, what are you doing that?
But would you rather go to like the college that you wanted with like a degree that don't fucking pay, like probably like a degree you don't want, or would you rather get the degree you wanted but like the worst school?
I'm going to college.
Wait,
I'm going
the
to
college of your
college.
You going
dreams?
to the college of your dreams?
Yeah, I'm not.
Or the degree that you want?
9 times out of 10.
The degree of your dreams?
So the college of your college.
I don't have a degree in my dreams.
I'm an athlete, so if I go to college I want, I'm going to go to the league.
Wow.
If I would have went to LSU, I would have went to the league.
The same thing though, like the university gonna offer you more than that paper's gonna offer you. So if you go to the college of your dream, bro, everything of that, your whole experience, the people you meet, that's really your college.
But you graduating with like some bullshit.
But you meet
Look, some bullshit college, right? If you take that bullshit college,
Yeah.
you know it's all the
something you don't want.
This is something I didn't want.
Tell you why though, because you're gonna get a degree you want, but the bullshit college name not gonna hold no weight if you're trying to do like corporate shit. They gonna look for the USC's, all the big ass.
You can get a law degree from Everest and IDC, whatever they call it. But Lil Romeo not gonna help come out. Or even that one, what he say? You sitting on the couch? Come on. What you about to say?
Cali for sure, bro. Cali for sure better. Right, you asked me what's better, Cali or Philly.
Man, it's Cali for me.
West Coast.
Yeah, anything better than Jersey to me. Nah, respect the Jersey.
Jersey niggas, y'all heard them.
Y'all know the vibe. Y'all got Team Black out there. Y'all got JoJo. Rev Runson.
He stayed at 555.
Nigga wildin'. Nah, they
Alright,
worship females.
alright. Best pussy ever. But it fucking stinks. It reeks, bro. Or bad as hell. But that shit whack.
Talk about-
That is right, but that shit whack.
Whack. And I'm talking.
I'm taking the whack pussy.
Yeah,
But best.
I'm gonna have my best time with the wackest pussy in front of me.
Wow.
Yes.
You can
No,
I feel like, wait, now here's my
you
thing
can't
though.
hold your nose, nigga.
Nah, bro.
Nah, bro.
Peace say this from experience, my nigga, because the way you came out with that question, that nigga was like, yo, back me up real quick.
And dope game is lit too.
Bro, they got all type of lubrication.
Yeah, but her pussy
sex
say
toy,
something.
you can make that shit pop.
You said bad, but it should leak.
She bad as hell, but that shit weak, bro.
Like how weak?
It's like a waste of time week. Like you like you wish
you were just at home and just
like a waste of time. Like definitely.
But the other shorty could be bad too.
Nah.
She not bad.
She's
She
not.
ugly.
Nah, I mean, it's the best.
It don't matter.
It don't really matter. She bad too. But
That don't really matter.
that shit just reeks.
Yeah.
If it reeks.
It reeks.
I'm good, bro.
So
I'm
it's just
You know something wrong.
But the throat game nice too.
like
though.
how bad? Like the
I'm
Rick is just like you
Check the
can't just get away from
I
it.
got you.
The throat game lit too though.
Yeah. But you just can't get away from the stench. Like no matter what you try to do.
I mean, when you get in there, you gonna
Hey, yo,
smell it.
she's wild.
That's bad.
We need some out of pocket one.
Shorty is wild. That's out.
What?
Right there.
Oh, like, what? Hell
She's
no.
wild.
Yo,
We're not even gonna speak on it.
Suck dick and let your mom die.
Yo, bro, what?
I'm not. Don't ask me that question.
Bro.
That's out of fucking pocket. We not doing that. We not doing that.
Right, out of pocket.
Yeah. I wouldn't even want to speak on that.
You said, would you rather be short and date a tall girl or just be ugly? Wait, what?
Hey, that don't even make sense.
Bro, what?
You ready to
I
be
feel
short
like
and
that's
date a
just-
tall girl? Yeah, I'm ready to date a tall girl.
It don't matter. Baby's going D1.
Facts.
That's all I know.
Hey, bro.
See, niggas said they taking the whack pussy.
Niggas taking a whack pussy?
Yeah, whack pussy over the stink pussy, bro.
I'm telling you, bro.
Damn.
Niggas can't be it. Something wrong with the hygiene if it ain't. Yeah.
I'm trying to hold my breath every time.
Right, like
Yeah,
niggas ain't
that
trying to be
just
spraying
sucks.
for breathing that bitch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw up in that shit. It's gonna get soft.
Yeah.
What else you got?
Hey, y'all give us some questions. Would you rather question?
Oh, no.
Alright, so would y'all rather have an annoying girl that your whole family loves, or a girl you fuck with but nobody in your family fuck with?
Oh, for sure, girl. Oh, hold on.
Annoying
Girl,
girl.
I can't even
Wait,
answer
what?
that
A
one
girl,
that
that
fast.
shit, a girl like they fuck with versus
You would have-
Nah, I need my peace, King. I'm not gonna
Yeah.
But nobody in your family fuck with her. Like your mama don't fuck with her. You
So,
don't know?
annoying girl that your whole family love, or you said perfect,
Yeah, she's like y'all cool, y'all get along.
but your family hate her?
Yeah, everybody.
Alright, so my family hate her, but my family's so cool with me. No, that matters. I don't give a fuck. Hold on. I don't give a fuck if my family don't like her. Cause I don't give a fuck if my family don't like her. She don't gotta come around, but I'm a for
I
sure.
would still be all like, hey, mom. Mom.
Gotta find a new role. You feel me? She don't gotta come around. I'm in another stage.
My family's still
Yeah, I'm in another stage. They can
Bro, I
still get
can't,
me.
bro.
That's comedy.
I can't fuck with no shit that my family don't like though,
Right, that's what I'm thinking.
because it's gonna boil over to you, nigga. Eventually, they ain't gonna fuck with you.
But like,
you can't, you're not
but
coming.
everybody
You're not
go.
coming to Christmas, or they not coming to your crib. None of that.
That's
But like,
You never see
annoying
your
though?
family, and plus, if
Some
your family
people
don't like
don't
her,
know.
that means she trying to keep you away from your family.
No, see,
Oh.
no.
That's not true,
No,
that's
see,
not
y'all ain't say
That's not
all
true.
that.
Nigga, you
Y'all
finding
just
loopholes?
said- No.
that's not always true.
You gonna rebuttal?
Wait, so when you say annoying, you mean like she be nagging and stuff like that? Like what you mean like
she do all the
annoying?
annoying shit niggas don't fuck with.
Damn.
See, no,
Every
y'all gonna
annoying
be in that bitch mixing.
But your family love you, though, bro.
But your family
matter.
love it.
But it's
I'm
cool.
not-
Like
I'm
nigga, I'm not like
I'm
they not dating her.
Yeah, they not doing that. They not doing that. Got to be in the room with
That's what
her.
I'm saying.
Like,
I need
no.
my peace. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
lie, bro.
No.
I'm
But-
not gonna lie.
But
I need
then
my
you dating,
peace.
But then you dating this shorty, she's perfect outside of y'all bubble. You feel me? Like in y'all bubble, y'all just in this fucking perfect world. But then when y'all get outside, nobody fucking likes her.
You say your family, not nobody. You say only the family, not nobody. Hold on now.
Shoot, Kanye was doing that for a minute.
All I hang around is my family, so fuck that.
What? I'm in Cali, bro.
My family right here.
Nah, we talk about blood related. We talk about your immediate family.
No, cause
Nah, I can't pick that annoying girl though.
Yeah, man.
The annoying girl's out, bro.
That annoying girl out.
I can't pick that annoying
Cause my family gonna like, nah, I made it. Like, well,
Y'all just gonna be living. So y'all never gonna visit y'all family with y'all.
Nah, but like if my family loves me, bro, they not gonna like.
No, they gonna be mature
Damn.
enough.
That's
They
what I'm
don't
saying.
gotta like each other.
I can't find
your
your
family don't really be
You
like.
picking an annoying girl?
I mean,
Nah.
nobody in your family like that. Like
People in my
they
family
dislike
don't like
her.
people
They
my
dislike
people
her.
with now.
So it's just like,
But think about the odds of your family actually like somebody you actually did. Like you bring home a girl and your mom like,
Yeah,
oh,
just
I like her.
You know what I'm
I ain't
saying?
gonna
They don't like
lie.
it, they don't
My
like
mom like everybody. So
Word.
yeah,
Yeah,
so
they
she
wanna see
don't,
somebody.
so if she don't fuck with you, then shit.
I feel that. You think women's intuition is real?
That's not even Would You Rather.
That's just straight up. That's what we was talking about it. We was talking about it. Respectfully. But that's gonna open up a whole different thing.
No,
Human intuition.
He said no.
no.
I think that
No. It depends on where their intuition is. Relationship intuition, I don't know. But like when your mama telling you, "Hey, don't go outside," I believe that.
Yeah.
Shit. But like when they be like, "Oh, I just know he cheating,"
facts.
I don't know if that's real.
That's paranoid and that's a gut feeling.
Y'all
Guys
just-
got that shit too. Guys be having that. Then we can say men have men intuition. Then it's just intuition.
Yeah.
It's not a special power that y'all gain from like.
Women. But there is such thing as women intuition though. I
Yeah.
give that one.
I think
But when it applies to relationships, I can't give them that.
They just be going off your vibe, bro. You not like you showing like you don't really fuck with her, they gonna think you cheated. Like that's it. If you show a little bit of like you don't give them too much attention, then they gonna think you cheating. Then they gonna look for some shit till they find some shit.
Emotionally, they function through an emotional standpoint. I feel it.
I mean, because
Sometimes
you were saying that like women more tapped in emotionally, and a lot of emotions kind of rule the universe.
So that they more in touch with their emotions. So
Sometimes they do be right though because they be going through some shit. So they do be knowing some shit.
yeah, they know patterns.
They do be knowing
Hey,
some shit.
who go through the most shit relationship wise, men or women?
Women for sure.
Ooh.
No cap for sure.
I don't think anybody ever really talked about that.
Women
Like,
go through
like
a
they be
whole-
like I'm talking about like that's a good ass top. Like I think women they go through the most.
Somebody requested.
But sometimes they be putting themselves through it.
They do they do, but they I think they definitely be going through the most.
Like in
Wow,
relationships,
random.
like what do you mean?
Like random, like as far as like let's say cheating or being with this dude or this person did that to them. Like they had a whole Tyler Perry thing done to them before. Like
that's
women dated the married guy. They done been with like you know not been with everybody, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, women
But-
go through it, bro.
Women definitely go through it.
But some of them love that shit, bro.
Niggas for sure don't be good.
So does that mean that our male intuition is just that much better that we don't have to fuck with certain women?
Ooh.
Ooh.
I ain't gonna lie, that's a good question.
Facts.
Ooh.
Our shit
Because,
is,
like,
yo.
Right,
saying,
you gotta understand where his question coming from. Because if women intuition was so strong, like relationship wise, then why they be fucking with ain't shit niggas? I don't really see a lot of niggas messing with ain't shit
women.
Yeah, like I think
That's
niggas smell that
dope.
shit from a while away, bro.
That's
crazy. Women, what y'all think? Cause I'll give it up to the niggas, bro. When it comes to that, we smell that shit a mile away, bro.
I don't think ours is more like intuition. I think ours is more like just pre-planning.
You just cautious?
Yeah, cautious and pre-planning.
True. So you think women just dive in?
But then even if they dive
They
in,
try to fill out the process.
but then intuition would be something that you know beforehand. So like
Yeah, because
if you dive in, then
you
you
believe
not.
in hellish shit from niggas, bro.
Okay.
What up with you? We do though. Go ahead, tell us all.
Here we go.
Put us on.
Hold on. Oh,
Damn.
hold on.
That's what we think about.
Hold on. You fell. Hold on.
Is there any way we could connect?
I don't think so.
It's more so like the feelings and the gut feelings that we get around the time. And it be true. It's just that niggas be denying it. And the reason how I know is because my friend told me, like he said one time he was dating a girl, whatever, and he cheated on her. And then his girlfriend came, you know how we
I can't see her.
We were like, oh, I had a dream. And he said that he was just like, how is it so that he just had a dream right after I cheated? And he was like, whole time she's sitting there like telling him about her dream, and she told him, keep telling her that she crazy. When the whole time her intuition was right, it's just that guys be trying to not let us know that we right, and then be trying to make us feel like we fuck crazy.
All right, hold on. I got a question for you though. But do you think y'all always right? Cause we ain't saying y'all don't be right sometimes. But do y'all? Oh, all right, no. But some
That's the
females
most
be
honest
like,
shit I heard of
yeah.
2020
Some
going
females
on.
be like, oh, I just know. Like they always right or some shit. But y'all be wrong hella times too though. Y'all just check a lot.
Like, you could be feeling like you real right, or you for sure know that shit, and you be in your head like, yo, I really know that shit, but that don't mean that we always right all the time. Yeah, we be wanting to be right all the time. We be wanting, like, we don't like to admit when we wrong. Well, a lot of women don't like to admit when they wrong. Me, I can admit when I'm wrong.
Facts.
But, like, yeah, a lot of women, we don't like to admit when we wrong because sometimes people, it's like the way that people, like, use it against us or whatever. I think it's both, like with male and female. I don't think it's just like strict to a gender.
I was about to say. I was about to ask you a different question. Cause I was about to be like, cause you say women intuition, like that's real, and like you gotta be having dreams, stuff like that. But what if men have the same feeling? We just don't speak on it that much because we don't really care about it.
That's why I said I don't think it's a gender thing. I think it's like with humans, period. Like I just feel like some of us like just get the feeling, or you can pick up on a person's signal. Like you start getting signs and stuff, and I mean a guy may not say anything. I don't know why y'all wouldn't say anything.
We just move, like we just act on it.
A nigga only gonna say something though when he know for sure though, like when he right. Y'all just be, you know what I'm saying, jumping the gun every time though and not be right. Like y'all ratio be all fucked up. A nigga ratio be way better than y'all.
Facts. Y'all kill death ratio. Y'all win lose ratio.
What?
Off.
A nigga ratio be way better than y'all.
Y'all just be throwing shots
Hold
up.
on,
Y'all
she
be
better go get back up. She better go get back up. What that is? Cheating is not cheating.
Alright.
That joint kind of backwards on mine's reverse. I ain't even that. I ain't saying.
It says a guide to understanding a man's nature. This book is for y'all. It basically breaks down like the different perspectives and stuff about cheating, women's intuition, men's intuition. They talk a lot about like relationships, like the double standards. Y'all know,
Okay.
y'all know who Nasty Nah?
Yeah.
Green Dingle. This his book.
Okay. Okay. I think I know what you're talking about.
And this book is really good because one thing this book helped me realize and understand is men's pride
Yeah.
in a relationship.
Yeah.
And how important a man's pride is in a relationship and how important it is not to destroy a man's pride in a relationship.
Okay. So he giving y'all free game.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas need it.
Hey, yo, I got a would you rather for you. Would you rather have threesomes with your man like once a month, or like turn a blind eye to him cheating?
Wait, say that again?
She said, bro, he's trying to get some pull.
Would you rather have threesomes with your man once a month, or turn a blind eye to him cheating?
That's 12 times a year. Over one time.
But she did.
Well, me personally.
She like, hold on, me
Yeah.
personally. Well, she finna say, I like female.
The girls would think me personally, I'll probably just go to be cool with the threesomes or whatever.
Yeah, all right, she like, okay, real, that's real. But yeah,
But if I had to pick that between a person, I mean, I just wouldn't be with that person because you're not gonna give me about cheating on me, or either I cheat on you or you give me threesomes. Nigga, you gotta go.
right. She from Philly, she not with none of that dumb shit. She like, nigga, you gotta go. She from Philly.
Threesomes or I'ma cheat on you, whether you like it or not. Oh, well, you got to go, big boy.
That's good shit. But hey, no, I'm gonna definitely fuck with that book though, and we fuck with your perspective on that.
For real.
But I got it all upside down. I'm gonna try to promote his book and it's all upside down. But yeah, but that, I just wanted to answer your question. I just felt like y'all needed a female perspective on here because y'all was giving out male's perspective.
True, you right. We ain't wanna be biased.
Out here that do agree with males too. Like we all are not against y'all.
Okay.
We all not agree with y'all.
We got an ally. Hey,
That's real.
You think Tori innocent?
Right.
Who?
I wasn't there, so.
Respect.
That's a yes?
Hold on. Do you still listen to Tory though? Is Tory canceled?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There we go. You still be bumping that.
Hey, finish this lyric. You ready?
He ain't shoot me.
Oh. Hey, finish the lyric. Yeah, you ready? Finish.
Backstory, like we don't know the
Oh,
details.
snap.
You never know why somebody did. She probably was attacking his small legs.
Factual
He not
though.
that small. He only about 5'5".
You just don't know behind it. I'm not getting somebody's music because of somebody else. That don't got nothing to do with me.
Fact, you still bumped out.
Hey, finish this lyric real quick. Praise to the most. She want to say it. Say it.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
You don't, damn.
She don't fuck with the new Tory. She just fuck with the old Tory. It's cool. But Ado, you got the link to the book. Send me the link. I'm gonna go fuck with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna send it to y'all.
All right, bet.
Alright.
High was the right answer, ladies and gentlemen. High was the correct answer.
That's what we're looking for.
That's funny.
Survey.
I should like interview, make this down your fans.
Strive for it, die for it, die. We wasn't made to survive. Look at me, I'm so alive. Look at me, I'm